Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Paytonbaeton and today I'm back with another video installing this bomb wig that I received from Wiggins Hair. So let's go ahead and get started. We hop in right in with the unboxing, then getting into the review and install.
You know what I really hate? But y'all not ready for that conversation. I don't know, it just felt like so satisfying.
Starting off with the unboxing, Wiggins sent me this box. It doesn't look that put together, y'all, but everything arrived safely. So they sent an HD lace wig cap. They sent a double-ended edge control brush, and they also sent some 3D eyelashes. And last but not least, they sent this elastic band to help make your lace lay super flat and snug. And I really like the colors. And they also sent this satin storage bag for storing your wigs after you take them out of your install. And I love these silk drawstring bags because not every company sends them, but they do really come in useful for storage purposes. Hopping into showing you guys this unit. This is their 24-inch loose deep wave 13x4 HD lace frontal wig in 250% density. This hair came fresh out the box looking like it was curled, and I really do like that. Loose deep wave is one of my favorite hair textures because it's not too curly and it's not too straight, and this is how HD and transparent the lace was looking straight out of the box. Because this wig is pre-plucked and pre-bleached, I really didn't have to do much to it. You can of course do some extra plucking if you see fit. However, for my install, I did not pluck this wig as much as I usually would. Now this is me just showing you guys the inside of the unit and giving you guys an up close view of the construction of the wig. There's 3 combs on the inside, an adjustable elastic band, and an adjustable strap at the back of the head. So this wig was 100% secure. And I forgot to add, y'all, that I believe I got a cap size small. So hopping into the install of this wig, I went ahead and cut the back of the lace off of the unit, and I put the adjustable strap on the tightest setting. After this, I did adjust the elastic band that's also in the wig on the tightest setting as well. This wig fit my head pretty perfectly, and it was so transparent that I didn't even have to do a bald cap method. I went ahead and just used that transparent wig cap that they sent with the unit, and it was pretty see-through for my install. Now I'm going in with some Bond Baby, and I applied 2 layers of that to my head, and I didn't want this wig to come off, so I did put a lot of glue. I went ahead and blow dried it on medium heat for 30 seconds, and as you guys can see, I just went from the middle section to the left section to the right section using that Bond Baby. And though I didn't show you guys that I did 2 layers, just make sure if you installing your wigs, always use 2 layers if you want it to fit the most secure. Everybody does something differently. This is what I do when I want to make sure my wigs don't come off. Then I go in with my Eben Wonder Lace Bond adhesive spray, and I go ahead and spray that all on the lace before I put the elastic band back on, and I do blow dry it as well, just to dry it. You could do either, but I prefer to dry it then put the band on so it doesn't stick to the band. And also, y'all, don't cancel me for Eben. I know y'all might be thinking, girl, we not using them no more, if y'all saw that TikTok story time. If you haven't heard, make sure y'all go watch it and comment some product recommendations down below. All right, moving on, y'all. So I went ahead and drenched my hair with water because I didn't want that original curl pattern to show, and I just took a Denman brush and combed all throughout the hair. I did end up using some Eben Curl and Twist foam lotion. Y'all, oh my gosh, why do I have all this Eben? Help! Send me other products. Usually I'll use my curl enhancing smoothie for wavy hair, but I wanted to try something that wasn't as heavy as a hold, because you guys will see at the end of this video I am going to curl this hair, but I didn't want to put that curl enhancing smoothie in it from Shea Moisture because I felt like it would have just been too much of a hold. And then I went ahead and took off that elastic band around the perimeter, and I used my pressing comb to push the hairline back away from my head. And then as you guys can see, I just started cutting the lace off, and I felt like it looked really good, like it was growing out of my scalp damn near, especially because I didn't pluck it nor bleach it. And usually they'll make pre-plucked, pre-bleached closure wigs, but I love the pre-plucked and the pre-bleached frontal wigs just as much because they help if you're lazy and you don't want to do all the extras to put a wig on. This came straight out the box like this, so hey. Now I was just cutting some baby hair right here to make my forehead look smaller. And also, you guys, don't worry about that tan line. I'm gonna fix it with some bronzer at the end of this, but This was just me playing around with the baby hair before I slicked them down with some edge booster. Finally, no even products. After slicking those edges down, I went ahead and took some concealer powder and applied that on the lace, and my camera died. So this was what my hair ended up looking like before I went out. And I was in a rush, so I didn't really get too many clips of it, y'all, but I liked it better with my wand curls anyway. So this was the next day. You guys can see the natural texture. Now I decided to put some wand curls in this hair. I used some BioSilk Silk Therapy oil, and I also used the smallest wand curl that I could find. I went ahead and started off by blow drying the hair because it was kind of still damp. And I also did this because it's basically easier and smarter to curl blow dried hair, so it doesn't have any patterns or anything like that. It's just blow dried straight. And I know y'all just see me spray some heat protectant. Don't do that. Y'all don't have to do that actually, because it will make the hair revert back since it's wet. But this whole style took me about 30 minutes. I was also going out this night, so I low-key was rushing, but I ended up doing my hair way faster than I thought I was, because this is 250% density. This wig is really thick, so I didn't have hope for myself in the first half, but it ended up being really fast. Since the wand barrel is so small, the curls curl very quickly. So 30 minutes later, this is basically what the hair was looking like. I was in love with these curls, y'all. I've been wanting to curl some wavy hair for a long time, and I definitely think I'll do it again when I don't have to rush though, because I was rushing and I didn't really get to style my hair exactly how I liked it, but it still looked really cute, and I got a lot of compliments on the curls as well. Another piece of advice, if you guys want to make this process easier, you can curl the wig on a wig head and not your actual head, because this process does kind of make your arms hurt. But like I said, it only took 30 minutes, so it wasn't that bad. But no, my arms were still hurting though. And here's me just basically fixing up my edges again, since this was the next day. I had slipped on my hair, and this is how the curls came out. They look so bomb and voluminous, and I just loved them so much. Like, this to me looked better than the natural state of the hair, but I feel like this wig could be worn either way, the natural state, curled. I just love this look though. Like, this is a favorite for me, and I got a lot of compliments from you guys. I love it so much. Let me know what y'all are thinking in the comments down below. Also follow me on Instagram for more pictures and videos that I posted in this wig. Shout out to Wiggins Hair again for this bomb wig. I would definitely give it a 10 out of 10 overall for the texture, the density, and just how voluminous and beautiful this wig is. And of course, it was pre-plucked and pre-bleached, which is perfect for a lazy girl install. So thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.